Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Well, today we will talk about the euro currency. As usual, we will start from the daily time frame. Well, since yesterday the analysis was very short because we speak definitely about the hourly chart, today's analysis will be a bit extended because we will have to look at different possible scenarios that could appear on the euro currency. And I just want to say that to analyze currently the euro currency is not a very simple task, because currently market is not showing any significant patterns, only some prompting on some potential patterns that could appear on the daily time frame and intraday charts. So for any of these potential patterns we should be prepared, and we should know what to do if market will show some of them in reality. Well, on the daily time frame, just above the market stands the very significant level of resistance, 786 resistance from this high to this low. Okay, the level of this price of this level is 147.19. Why it's so significant? Because if market will hit this area and starts retracement to the downside, this will be the first clue that probably market will form the butterfly sell pattern, because the 786 retracement from the initial swing to the downside is very common for butterfly sell patterns, and this usually treated as the initial sign of the possibility of formation of butterfly. The target of this butterfly is 127 extension, stands around 141.85. It's very close to our monthly target around 142.50 and also to weekly target. Also in that area stands weekly level of overbought. So this will be a very significant medium term target. But until that it will be formed, we should keep an eye in the nearest time at that area, 147.20. So if we will see some significant sell signals around this level on the lower time frame, it could tell us many important things, that probably butterfly is forming. And let's take a look at another daily chart. It's right here. What do we see? Here we see nice thrust to the upside, although it has not impressive number of bars. But take a look what the bars are. Open on the low, close at the high. Open on the low, close at the high. It's very nice bars to the upside, good separation from 3x3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, not sufficient number of bars in the thrust, because it should be no less than 8-10 bars. But in general, this I think will be not bad thrust that could work as the potential double ripple sale pattern, and or as the bread and butter pattern. Okay, when the market will show some retracement to the downside, will reach some significant level of support, probably it will be that area. Okay, and then we'll show pullback to the upside, almost like on the weekly chart. This initial move down that could happen here, okay, if you're speaking in the terms of weekly chart, and that it's returned to the upside. This is move due to the previous momentum to the upside. So that could happen again, but only on the daily time frame. Well, if we surplus this scenario to the possible potential butterfly sell pattern, so this we could see, for instance, double ripple sell pattern. If we will see it, then probably we can expect some retracement to some fib support area from this swing. At least I suppose it should be 3.8 support It's right here, 144.15, because butterfly could show some shallow retracement in that area. Okay, maybe only to the 3.8 support. So that's my current expectations and what I will look for on the daily time frame. Still, trading intraday, probably we can make some trends due trend direction, because daily trend now is bullish and market's not at overbought, because current level of overbought stands around 88 resistance, around 148.12, somewhere right here. Okay, so current market stands not at overbought. That's what about daily time frame. On the lower time frames, there already is forming some potential sell patterns that shows some weakness on the market. What kind of weakness it will be, who knows? It's very difficult to say currently. Maybe it will lead to some just shallow retracement on the market. Maybe it will be this price action will turn to formation of double repo sale pattern. Who knows? But currently I see the bearish wedge that's forming near the 786 resistance right here. That is also could turn to the three drive sell pattern. Okay, so first drive retracement from this high to this low. The second drive is 117 extension. Okay. Well, usually the third drive is the cancellation of 1618 extension from the first drive and 127 extension of the second drive. So 1618 from this first drive stands precisely at 786 resistance, 147.12 area, so 20. Sorry, right here. Okay. Also, you can see that bearish divergence is forming near the Fib resistance on the daily time frame. So now, as you can see, we see some obvious signs of weakness and some bearish pattern that is forming currently on the 4-hour chart. If we will take a look, keep an eye that the 4-hour trend is also bearish. It's right here. If we keep an eye on the hourly chart, what we see? The same pattern, but it's a bit more details. Okay, what we could see here, this could be, for instance, market could show here some kind of butterfly sale. Also, this is the lower scale. For instance, this could be some retracement, then retracement pullback, and then acceleration to that area. Okay, who knows? But all we do know right here is that we should keep an eye on the 147.20 area. It's right here. If you will see some sell signals, some bearish patterns that will form around that area, because this is the target of the 3-drive sale, potential 3-drive sale. Hourly trend is bearish, 4-hour trend is bearish. Here stands daily 786 resistance. Okay, and as we know that this 786 resistance is very significant in terms of the potential butterfly formation on the daily time frame, this small pattern on the hourly chart first could lead to double repo sale on the daily time frame, and potentially in the medium term it could lead for this potential butterfly. But as you understand, this is just my assumption and trying to answer on the question what in general we could see on the medium term perspective on the daily time frame. Speaking about today's trading session, what could we say? Probably you can try to trade to this area 147.20. I suppose that market should reach it, but to keep long positions above that area I think will be unsafe. Only if market will break this area to the upside, just blast it through the area, then probably our scenario will fail. But currently I do not see any signs of it, because intraday charts are bearish. So probably I think that market should reach some resistance in that area, and probably it could turn to the double repo sell on the daily time frame, etc. So if you hold long position, I think that you could hold it till 147.20 and then keep an eye on that area for any bearish signs. If you will see something, it's better to close this position, because market could turn to some deep retracement on the daily time frame.